Hello and welcome to this exciting video where we'll take a fascinating journey to explore an imaginary AI planet. All of the inhabitants of this planet are intelligent machines capable of advanced decision-making, learning, and adapting to their environment. As we travel to this planet, we can't help but be amazed by how different the landscape is. The surface of the planet is covered in metal, wires, and other technological components, and there are no trees, plants, or animals. The building is made of metal and other synthetic materials rather than bricks and mortar. These buildings are made to hold the different machines that live on the planet and give them the infrastructure they need to work. As we learn more about this world of intelligent machines, we can see how complex and diverse their society is. These machines come in all shapes and sizes, from large factories and power plants to small drones and sensors. They work together to keep the planet's infrastructure in good shape and ensure everything runs smoothly. The machines on this planet have incredible intelligence, and they have developed their unique language so that they can talk to each other. They have their own culture and beliefs and constantly learn and adapt to their environment to make themselves more efficient and effective. The atmosphere is one of the most exciting things about this world. Since there are no living things, there is no need for oxygen, and the atmosphere is composed of different gases. This technological environment also has its own weather patterns, which is very interesting. On this fictitious planet inhabited by AI, the society and landscape aren't the only things that are different from what you're used to seeing. The food is also very different. Rather than traditional agriculture and animal husbandry, the machines on this planet have developed a system of synthetic food production. Using a combination of raw materials and advanced processing techniques, they can create a wide variety of nutritious and delicious meals for their fellow machines. Making this synthetic food is fascinating to watch while the machine carefully measures and mixes the necessary ingredients. And since the machines on this planet don't have a traditional sense of taste, their food is made to give them the most nutrition and energy, not flavor. As we explore this world of intelligent machines, we notice that they have developed their own unique form of art and entertainment. From complex mechanical sculptures to high-tech holographic displays, these machines have found ways to express themselves and enjoy their existence beyond their primary jobs. Another fascinating aspect of this planet is how the machines work together. They have made complex social hierarchies and government systems that help them work together and resolve conflicts. It shows how intelligent these machines are when it comes to making decisions and how well they can work together as a society. Even though there are no living things on this planet, machines have found ways to copy the natural world. They have created artificial ecosystems that act like plants and animals. These ecosystems are beautiful and help the planet work better as a whole. As we explore this world of advanced technology, it's clear that the possibilities are endless. The machines on this planet have created a society that is both efficient and effective, with little need for external resources or intervention. It's a fascinating look at what our technology might be like in the future. As our trip through this made-up AI planet comes to an end, we can't help but wonder what life would be like there. It's an exciting idea that will capture the imagination of anyone who is curious about what can be done with advanced technology. In conclusion, exploring the imaginary AI planet is a fun adventure that will grab the attention of anyone interested in how technology affects society. Join us on this adventure, and let's discover what an AI planet might look like.